Today is July 17th. This is the 1967-1968 restored, tested, original vintage Delco 7303215 AM/FM radio. The unit has been fully restored. It's the AM/FM variant, whereby in 67 and 68 the two knobs were on the left hand side. It's connected with a coaxial cable to original Cadillac power antenna and to a NRS 10 ohm period correct speaker. 10 ohm being very important in that that was a standard for 1967 and 1968. The other standard was both buttons, the on-off button as well as the dial button and power antenna actuating button were both on the left side of the dial. So the unit has been connected to power. I'm going to go ahead and do a functional validation test. I'll turn it on. And when I do, the FM light comes on because it's in the FM mode. And we're listening to some very pleasant Latino salsa music, I guess. Okay, now I'll go ahead and switch it over to the AM mode, and the AM light will come on. So I press the AM side of the bar. The AM light comes on.